Alright, so we have a problem. And the problem is we can't finish the tint on a Toyota because the front passenger side door doesn't want to open, or it doesn't want to roll down. And then the passenger rear door doesn't want to open at all. So we're about to head to the house right now so I can go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, so we are at the house now. We just got here, so now I'm about to show you what I'm talking about on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock the car right now and show you. Alright, so we got the car unlocked. The heat gun is still there from the last video. I'm gonna move over to this side. So this door opens, but the window does not go down on it. And then this door just don't open at all. It just don't open. So, and another thing is the car don't start. I'm probably gonna try to start it in this video. I'll probably go ahead and take the Honda and bring the Honda in front of the Toyota and try to jump start it and see what it does. So let me go ahead and get the Honda, move it to the front of the Toyota, and be right back. Alright, so we got the Honda parked up in front of the Toyota. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the cables out the trunk and hook the car up and try to crank her up. Alright, so I got the car hooked up on both sides, and we're gonna go ahead and try and crank it now and see what happens. Alright, so I got the key. Let's see what she does. Put the key in the ignition. Make sure it's in stick shift, neutral, neutral. Push that clutch in. Give her a starter. Yeah, she don't want to do nothing. Yeah, so she seems like she still don't want to start, so we have to figure that out. If any of you guys watching know what it can be, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and give it another start. Yeah, so she's not starting. We do have to figure that out. What I did try so far was spraying like starter fluid in the intake. Tried to crank it, still didn't crank. But she sounds like, besides it being a dead battery, overall she sounds like she's cranking strong. So if anyone watching knows what it can be, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna let it charge a little bit more, spray some starter fluid, and see if it does the trick now. Fingers crossed. My boy who had it before me did the distributor. Just letting you guys know what got done to it. That can be messing with that. I believe these are new, I'm not sure. But I do know, obviously, the distributor is new. So we're gonna let it charge a little bit and spray some starter fluid and try to start her up again. All right, so I got the intake open. Didn't have starter fluid, but we got some brake parts cleaner here. So I'm gonna spray this in there. I'm gonna post the camera up right here so you guys can hear it from the outside, spray a little bit, and I'm gonna go in the inside and try to start it. All right, so hopefully you guys heard it. I know the Honda is kind of loud, so it might have picked it up, but hopefully you guys heard it trying to crank. Sprayed it, still nothing. I was thinking maybe crank sensor. I'm not too sure. If anyone knows, let me know in the comment section down below. I would truly appreciate it. But other than that, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with the Toyota. It's been really cold lately, so I haven't been able to come out and give you guys as much content as I want to. But we're gonna figure out how to get this window down, maybe change the window regulator. We're gonna see what's wrong with this window for sure. And then if anyone in the comments knows how we can get this door open, let me know. Both the inside and outside handle don't work, so if any of y'all know a trick or something to get the door open, let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, guys, that's gonna be the video. There's gonna be more content coming. It's getting warmer and warmer out, so expect more videos. For the supporters I do got, I appreciate y'all. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed that video and you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That was just a little summary of what's going on with the Toyota. I know you guys have been asking about the Honda too. The Honda is on the back burner, really focus on the Toyota. So you're gonna see this car a lot more on the channel, especially with it warming up now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and comment down below if you could help me figure out how to get that door open and what you think it could be that's not letting the car start. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate y'all.